topic, title, and theme of this video is sometimes you gotta pack her up and send her away. As hard as it may be, you gotta let go. As much as you may have some great memories with this woman, as much as you love this woman, as much as you want things to work out with this woman, as much as you have been praying for this woman to get it and for y'all to have more happy times than sad times, for whatever reason, she don't get it. For whatever reason, she don't want to get it. For whatever reason, she is still being difficult. She is still being resistant. She still has a problem for every solution. And when it's like that, it's time to let her go. You're getting all the signs. You're getting all of the, the evidence. You know what I'm saying? In Islam, they say the ayats. Those are the evidences and proofs of her not wanting to be with you no more. And watch this. It may be a situation where she does genuinely want to be with you, but due to her stinking thinking and negative behavior, it's not going to work. And you as the man have to say, okay, have I shown up and been the man I'm supposed to be? And when you check that box as yes, it's nothing for you to be upset about or angry with yourself or questioning yourself, because you know with certainty I did all that I can do. As a man, I've shown up. I've showed her what this man is supposed to be. So she knows what a man is, because I've been there to her. For whatever reason, she don't want to show up consistently, right? She want to do the right thing when she want to do it, right? So if she may do the right thing for 7 days, and then 7 months, she just going against the grain. And all you would be doing is wasting your time, wasting your mind, wasting your energy, wasting your words, and then you will look up at the end of all of that and say, why did I waste so much time? So I'm making this video so you don't have to waste time. I'm making this video so you don't have to make the mistakes that so many men make by saying, man, I love her, and giving themselves excuses to put up with daily, weekly, monthly abuses. So with that being said, I hope that this message reach y'all in the fastest way, in the best way, in the most potent way, that it reaches that brain and you can wake up and do what you need to do and move on. One love.